You didn't know that's what we were getting, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't either.
I grew up. We have to put this on the plate.
Thank you. Would you like juice?
I know before my mother.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
I got.
This is very heavy today. Hold your glass up. Oh my goodness. It is orange juice today. You haven't had orange juice? Would you pass the milk to Kyler, please?
Yeah. Pass it over to Haley.
Wait until you're done coughing.
To cut up your
No.
pancakes today. They're not little
That's all right. Grab the towel right here. Take care. Yeah, that's all right. We can get a clean one. Take care of it. Bring your towel up. Nate, would you do me a favor and get the towel from Tammy's table, please? I think this is a 2-toweler. All right. Thank you. Caden, take your pancake. Lay it right on it. Now, how would you get a clean napkin?
for milk, Haley. You may go ahead and eat. Sorry.
Well, you don't even have to ask. Where would you find one? Go right ahead. We'll spread it out, Nate. That was a big one, wasn't it?